Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Family Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming at you with another wonderful weight loss video for you today. Now, you guys, I have another awesome tea, a drink that you can blend that's going to help you to lose 30 pounds in 14 to 15 days. Now, this is powerful, but today we're going to be using blueberries. Okay, wonderful, hearty, full of fiber, high in antioxidants are blueberries. Now, these are frozen blueberries from Dole's. We're also going to be using about 2 inches of our ginger root. We're also going to be using cucumbers. Now, I've already de-skinned this, okay, when it's not organic, just so that I'm not consuming the waxy buildup on the outside. Yeah, okay, that's what I do. And lastly, I'll be also using some coconut water, pure coconut water. Now today we're going to be using our blender, so if you have a full-size blender, that is definitely what is needed. Okay, so we're going to get our blender ready. And for now, I'm going to chop the cucumbers into pieces. Okay. Okay, so you cut your cucumbers up, pop it inside your blender. Now, if you didn't already grate your ginger root, you could either grate it or you can just cut it into slices. Okay. But when you have a high-power blender, you won't even taste the ginger. It's formed into liquid. That's how good this blender is. All right. Next, I'm going to be using 1 cup of my Dole's blueberries. Okay, 1 cup. I'm going to put that in there. All right. And lastly, I'm going to also use 1 cup of my coconut water. Now, if you don't have coconut water, you can use regular water, your filtered water, your purified water, your spring water, okay, not pipe water. All right, so we're going to pop that in there. Now we're going to get to blending. Now, this is the NutriBullet full-size blender, and I tell you, you guys, I am in love with this blender. It does such wonderful blending. It pretty much purifies everything down to liquid form. It is the best. Okay, so I'm gonna blend this for high. Alright, so our drink is ready. Now get your favorite mug out. Okay, you pour it and you consume right away. Look how nice and rich in color. I just love these smoothies and these drinks. Okay, so you drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach, right after your other detox, like your Brad's apple cider vinegar concoction. After blending that, you can blend one of these wonderful morning smoothies and enjoy, okay? 20 to 30 minutes before a meal, you blend this. Oh, yes. Wonderful taste, you guys. Okay, so like I said, this is a diuretic. It's going to have you going. It's going to have you going. It's going to have you going, all right? And it's going to help flush the toxins out of your kidneys. It's going to flush your body. It's going to hydrate you, fill you with vitamins, proteins, minerals, okay? High in antioxidants. And it's going to help you to shed 30 pounds. 30 pounds. And you can blend this for morning, afternoon, and as well as the evening, okay? So you can have it before each meal, blend it up, drink it up, and you're good to go, okay? Also, don't forget, when you blend these smoothies and you're on a weight loss journey, make sure that you eat light meals. Do not overindulge. Stay away from the carbs, the starches, the sugars. Stay away from those things, okay? And you will see lots of weight loss. So drink plenty of water, stay away from all the white stuff, and have your smoothie drink blended at least 2 to 3 times for the day, and you're going to see that you've shed 30 pounds in 2 weeks. Alright? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family. Also check down below for the links for the NutriBullet blender, as well as the straws, as well as other things down there. And also check out my new channel, which is Velvet Vlogs, for you to run over there. Hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bar. Select all, and you will also know when I'm dropping videos over there as well. And lastly, if you want to be a blessing to this channel, I also have links down below for PayPal and Cash App, so that you can donate towards this channel and help to build it up and make it even better. Alright? So thank you all again for joining me, and until the next video, you guys, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.